What? Give it a month, it'll be ready to cut. So this is the teff we drilled. I drilled, planted. It's coming. It's so fine, ain't it? Yeah, it's real fine. I don't know. I really like feeding it. And if there's no fescue out here, I can give it to Shiloh. It's great horse quality. It's very tender, very fine stemmed, isn't it? I mean, but it can be very finicky, can't it? Like
just trying to get it to grow.
To get it to start.
Because you have to have a very firm seed bed.
I'd say it looks pretty good. Our corn is growing. It's really exciting. So this is corn silage. It's FBN corn. Do you know anything about it?
What?
The corn, other than it's FBN corn silage? It's looking good, all considering. Not bad for no-till. And the fact it really hasn't had any rain.
I mean, there's a few bare spots here and there.
It's corn silage, you know. It's not going to be the same as the yield's going to be different.
Like less or more?
Well, okay, so when you harvest corn, you shell corn and you just collect the corn cob kernels.
Yeah.
Versus
But we're gonna take the whole plant.
versus us taking the whole plant, it's going to be different. Your yield ratio is going to be different. You're going off tonnage here. When you sell it, you go off bushels, you know? Our cow chow's in the process. That's all that matters. It's up and growing. That's right.
I don't know anything else.
We just pretend like we know what we're doing out here with this, right? Hey, baby girl. Hey, mama. You telling everybody hi to you? Yeah. Good morning. It's Wednesday. It's warm, but not like sticky hot yet. We are unloading the hay from baling it Saturday. It got rained on, so we are just stacking it outside for our own use. We are gonna stack it 5 high, hopefully, and then we will just bring in, there was about 100 bales or so, and we'll just feed it for ourselves. Jason said that the bottom inch or so got wet, and it's not good enough quality for us to sell. So we're just bringing it home, letting it air out, we'll tarp it, and then we'll feed it for our own cows in the ration this fall, winter. And new shirts are in. They're at Farm Focused. If you follow me on Instagram, I attempted, there's this new thing called Reels. One, they're not my thing. They're not. But I attempted. I made a couple. That might be all I do. And then I don't know what today really holds. We could be baling straw. We could just be doing some stuff around the shop. It all depends on our farmers next door. There is a huge bout of rain coming in like the next 4 or 5 days. So it's just kind of a toss up at the moment on what we are doing. So stick around. I'll let you know. You all get to see what we do. We'll just see. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tagging along. We appreciate it. So as you guys saw the other day, we merged the herds. Ryder and I are over. We're gonna move the herd just across paddocks. They're all talking to me. Come on, kids! Go get him. Go get him. Get him. Bring him up. Go get him. Come on, girls. Over here. Come on. Over here. Hey! Go get him. Go get him. Over here. Go get him. You all are coming the wrong direction, kids. All right, let's go out and help them. Hey, okay, so it's after 6. I grabbed a burger from Carol. Thank you for feeding us. We are literally just going like a half a mile down the road from the shop, and we are going to start baling some straw. Straw isn't a whole lot of something we do unless there's a farmer in our area that lets us, because a lot of them use it and just put it right back in the ground, or there's not enough time to bale straw. But today we're gonna bale some straw. Are you guys ready? This evening, whatever time it is. So this field's real close to home. Like literally I could walk home from it. Because they're gonna come up and ride with Jason after a while. It's always fun. We don't do any row crops, so they never get to really go in the combines or the big tractors unless one of the neighbors picks them up, and they're really good about doing that kind of thing. So, you ready? Never drive the big square baler, but we have a lot to do tonight and a short amount of time. Isn't there a song like that? That was a close one. Okay guys, I'm not gonna lie, this is very stressful for me. I do not run his tractor, let alone his baler, very often. And I had no anticipation of running it tonight, but he said, hey, I've got to unload and I'm gonna need you to get in there. So that's what I'm doing, and there's probably not gonna be a whole lot of video because I didn't bring anything to video with besides my phone. So yep, that's about where we're at. Keaton's gonna bring up the skid loader here shortly, and then we're gonna swap a roo so the kids can ride with Jason, and I am going to start stacking and then keep baling. But they look pretty good. I'm doing okay. As long as nothing clogs or string breaks. There's a lot of monitors in here and it beeps a lot. But the sunset is gorgeous. So lots of monitors, lots of cameras, lots of stuff, lots of bales. Not real sure how many Jason's really wanting to get tonight. Talked about 200 to 400, so it just depends on how it goes. So it beeps when it ties, it beeps when it knots, it beeps when it dumps, it beeps quite a bit. I think that's what overwhelms me. So it's kind of like a round baler. You have to load it, the flake wise, you have to keep it dead center, and you have to feed it a certain way, or it doesn't bale right. And now he's leaving me. At least there's a lot of room for me to turn around at. Isn't it gorgeous out tonight? Just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Could not ask for better weather today. Watch for it and trying to tell you as it goes here. And I apologize, it's very jerky. So now it's tying, yellow tie knot, beeps when it does that. And you can see the load flake, he's got it dialed in at 120. Dropped bale, see, dropped bale. Yeah, okay, that's gonna drive me nuts when I'm editing that, so we're not gonna watch anymore. We'll do that when I have my other camera, if we do any more straw. I'll try to do a better job of remembering my camera. I also have to watch to make sure the tractor doesn't overheat in this dust, so I'm having to really watch that too.
So we are baling corn.
Straw, you're boiling, it's wheat straw. By the corn bin, wheat straw.
And there's the combine over there. Freshly new straw.
Yeah.
But it looks like.
Definitely tell you're not a row cropper, huh? Y'all have it done. It's a family affair. Yeah. You guys came right for a little bit? Yeah. You guys gonna go home soon? Yeah. Are you tired? No. Got school tomorrow. Yeah. But you only got a few days left of summer school, what, 2? Yeah. Have you had fun? Yeah. Well, we're just trudging along. That tractor's a lot more roomier, isn't it? Fits us all better, doesn't it?
Yeah, but you can also, I can also scoot over so you can come in here.
So I know the quality is not the best, and I apologize. Like I said, was not planning on running the baler. Was not planning on doing a whole lot of video. They're still cutting. We're still baling. Bless Carol's heart, she came back to help Jason load so I could keep baling. Yep. Fun stuff. Fun stuff. Thanks for tagging along, guys. It's late. My watch is dead, so hopefully my phone doesn't die too. It's gonna be poor quality, but look at the lightning storm up there with the moon. I'm like having deja vu from last year doing straw till 3 in the morning. Thank goodness our house is like literally right down the road. The moon is full, it's beautiful, and this lightning storm is almost just as pretty. Let me turn my brights off, maybe that'll help. No, not really. That's not gonna work. I can't not have lights on. Did you see that? There's coyotes out here. This is like the 3rd or 4th one. It may be the same one, but I seen like a pair of them go earlier. Everything down. It's just a little after midnight. Oh my goodness, I can never get this door open. The straw is baled. So now it's just getting it all picked up. So the sun is starting to pop up. We have worked all night, and the rain is supposed to be coming in about 2 hours. It's right after 5, and I think we may go home and just sleep the day away, especially if it rains. I mean, I'll have to chore and check on things, but yeah. Good night, everybody, or good morning.